Good day, beautiful people. Come, let's take a little mini trip down to Miami. So, I'm staying in Miami at the moment, and I decided to go downtown, which is like a little bit in my backyard, but I never go because it's always congested. So much traffic. You drive and you can't get any parking, or it's just ridiculous the prices. So, I decided to jog down here and walk around, and then I went to Whole Foods, and then I took an Uber back home. So it was a nice little outing. Traffic was minimal because it's early Sunday morning. This is a nice little statue here, and it's the waterfront, by the waterfront. So it's always nice to be by the water. It's so calming. Nice to clear your head. This is the home of the Miami Heats, baby. And they changed the name of this stadium so many different times. So yeah, that's the home of the Miami Heats. And this here we are in the middle, the heart of downtown Miami. Look at the palm trees, and the water is right behind here. This is Bayside. Bayside is a very popular market. Lots of tourists always coming there. Always a live Latin band or a reggae band. It's right by the water. They have tours. They have the upstairs buses. Lots of the boats go to Celebrity Row. That's where Star Island, where Puff Daddy, DJ Khaled, and Rick Ross and Drake, all of them have houses over on that end. So you can take a boat over, you pay on the boat, and you go across by Millionaires Row so you can get a glimpse of the celebrity mansions on the water. So this is the entrance to Bayside. It's usually super crowded. It's not that bad today. A little bit of an overcast. It's very humid here. We had lots of rain. The rain finally held up today. So decided to venture out to the cloudy, but still a beautiful nice. Ferris wheel, lots of boats out here. We're just enjoying themselves. Lots of restaurants, so many to choose from. And fat toasters, lots of liquor, bars, everything here. Really nice for family to gather. This is a nice place to go. It's very romantic at night. So that's where we so go out. Look in the back, you can see Virgin Atlantic, the new cruise ship. I would love to go on that. That's very swanky. I would love to go on the cruise ship. Definitely on my bucket list. And you can see that bridge over there that goes down to South Beach. Like South Beach is like just a hop, skip, and a jump from here. So Harbor Cafe. South Beach, if you look back by the bridge, just a quick drive over and then you'll be right on South Beach. So this is it, the waterfront. And by this time I am parched. I had to stop for some coconut water, some jelly coconut, and then decide to walk to Whole Foods after this. Whole Foods is just down the block. So there's Margaritaville right by the Ferris wheel. So I just walk by the bay here, and everybody's out. You know, these people are on their little boats with their little Heineken and thing, you know, just chilling out on the Sunday. So I just made my way here. I walked right here by the water side, and I made my way over to Whole Foods. And this is really lovely. Look at that building with all the graffiti on there, but it actually looks very artsy. Lots of big buildings, guys. Soon you can't find any trees in Miami. It's like a little Babylon. You know, so here I am now, went to Whole Foods. I'm super exhausted. I'm like, got my groceries and stuff. I'm tired. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.